Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok search bar not showing videos problem. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and now I'm going to click on the Discover option at the bottom left corner, and then for example, I'm going to search someone, for example, Fortnite. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of videos, but sometimes there are no videos in this um, top section. So the first thing you need to do is to swipe down from the top right corner, and then you need to check if you enabled Wi-Fi or mobile data. If everything is okay, the second thing you need to do is to go back to the home page, and then at the bottom right corner click on the profile icon. Then at the top right corner you need to click on the three lines button, and then settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down and find report a problem button, and then click on that. Then you need to scroll down and find a search option, then click on that, and then click on unable to find specific users or content. Now you can see a little instruction. What should you do in this situation? You can try to do this, or you can click on the no button and then need more help button. After that, click on the send a message button, and then type report a problem. After that, you need to click on the gray button submit a ticket, and then describe a problem, for example like this. After that, you can add some screenshots by clicking on the image button, and after that you need to click on the red button submit, and then TikTok support will respond to your message within 1 or maybe 2 days. So, and that's all, and that's how to fix TikTok search bar not showing videos problem. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.